Happy Valentine's Day. By clicking this video, you have become my Valentine. What, not even a card? Melting RTX 5090 cables continue to be investigated by the nerdiest among us. Us relative normies, salute you. Meanwhile, listings for various versions of NVIDIA's next graphics card, the RTX 5070 Ti, have been spotted at primarily European retailers for prices well above the card's MSRP of $750 US. Although Micro Center has one listed for exactly $750, so don't you move. Stay right there a little bit. NVIDIA has confirmed through their website that the 5070 Ti will launch on February 20th, which also reveals Team Green has delayed the launch of the RTX 5070 non-Ti to March 5th, which is also the birthday of my brother, Barrett. Happy birthday, bro. Later. Anyway, AMD likewise confirmed they'll finally reveal the RX 9070 and 9070 XT on February 28th. And they did this the same day that some specs and performance for the 9070 XT leaked via HKEPC, pointing to both cards once again featuring 16 gigabytes of VRAM. AMD's Frank Azor also denied rumors of a 32 gigabyte version of the 9070 XT, but he didn't deny a 32 gigabyte 9070 XTX or a 9070 XTXT. So as far as I'm concerned, the possibilities remain endless. TikTok has been restored to Apple and Google's respective app stores after reportedly being assured through a nice letter from US Attorney General Pam Bondi? She's from the beach. Being assured by her that they're safe to do so. And the letter definitely isn't a prank, for sure. They won't get in trouble, it's fine. TikTok shot to the top of the most downloaded charts on iOS, but not on Android, because all the talk heads already sideloaded it, along with every other app they could find that seemed vaguely Chinese. So everyone's back on TikTok. Instagram disliked that, which they can do now because they're currently testing a downvote button that seems similar to the Reddit version, but without a public downvote count. A lot of social media changes happening out there, and as laws trying to ban kids from social media pile up, Roblox, the platform primarily used by kids and people interested in them, is desperately trying to convince the government it is definitely not a social media platform. But remember, from the Epic Games versus Apple lawsuit, Roblox is also not a game. In fact, it doesn't even host games, it just hosts experiences that are sometimes social. There's no media involved. People trust AI way more in India and China than in the US, according to new research from the Edelman Trust Institute. I mean, maybe Americans are just wound up a bit too tight. Relax, guys. The AI's got it. I mean, sure, recent research from Microsoft and Carnegie Mellon indicates that increased use of AI correlates with deteriorated critical thinking skills, leaving us atrophied and unprepared when AI suddenly isn't available. But that's just like a calculator. Those are everywhere, and now so are AI features with the brand name Deep Research, as Perplexity joins Google and OpenAI in launching a web search feature with the exact same name. I have a feeling that naming 3 different competing AI features the same thing won't really help the whole factual correctness situation, which is already a big issue when it comes to news. A new BBC investigation found that over half of news summaries generated by the top large language models had significant issues of some kind, with 19% of AI answers that cited BBC content containing factual errors. But hey, that doesn't mean AI is bad. Look at this complex enzyme that can digest some plastics, which was designed by AI. Personally, I'm okay with fake news, as long as I can keep eating plastic. I'm also okay with our sponsor, Jawa, the marketplace for gamers. Maybe you're looking to score components for your next upgrade from a reliable source at a great price. Understandable. Or maybe you want a full custom PC assembled by experienced builders in Jawa's verified seller program. Yep, I'd like that. Or maybe you want to list your old GPU or CPU for sale, or make things simpler and sell it directly to Jawa and let them take care of it. These are all reasonable things to want. So I totally get it if you wanted to head straight from here to lmg.gg/Jawa TechLink to buy from, sell to, or connect with PC gamers just like you. I won't hold it against you. I want you to know I was thinking about you constantly as I worked on these quick bits. And you didn't even fold a piece of paper in half and draw some hearts on it. I mean, really. Valve has warned users who downloaded an indie survival game called Piratefy on Steam that the game actually contained suspected malware. Valve recommends scanning your PC with antivirus software, looking out for suspicious new apps, and just to be safe, maybe reformatting your whole system before burning it to ash. That'll do it. Honestly, we've probably sanitized the idea of actual pirates a bit too much. It's good to remember the whole pillaging part every once in a while. So thanks, Piratefy. The official website of the Elon Musk-led Department of Government Efficiency, or DOGE, was defaced by coders after DOGE apparently put the site together so hastily they left a database open in the back. It's a good thing we've got top technomancers like these guys firing most of the team of tech experts responsible for helping the government understand financial tech products. You know, while I'm here, I have to correct some misinformation that's sort of related. This procurement request from the State Department for $400 million worth of armored Teslas is not a done deal. There's no current contract, and the request actually originated during the Biden administration, at which point it was still a dumb idea. Reddit CEO Steve Huffman confirmed plans to introduce a paywall feature later this year after being asked during a video AMA about content that only paid members can see. Later, Huffman confirmed again that paid subreddits are coming in 2025, which could potentially both open up new revenue streams for the company and, sadly, reward Reddit moderators for acting like that. And it's not exactly tech news, but it is important to take a moment and remember the Duolingo mascot, Duo, who the company says was horrifically run over by a Cybertruck this week, possibly waiting for users to do their language lessons. As a sign of respect, the company changed their profile picture to the owl's dead face, as one does. The mascot is survived by his canonical girlfriend, pop star Dua Lipa, who tweeted, "Till death duo part," which I guess it already happened, so that does make sense. Now, you coming back here for more tech news on Monday, that makes all the sense in the world. It definitely makes more sense than physicists uncovering evidence of 2 arrows of time emerging from the quantum realm, right?